Hi, this is Dominic, the food reviewer. I am at the Zocalo Food Truck Park on 6th Street in Milwaukee, and I'm going to show you the food trucks very quickly. I got pizza here at Hot Box Pizza, and then the 4 tacos at Mazorca Tacos right here. And anytime arepa right here. And which one is coming up is the Meat and Company. And I got their hot chicken sandwich. It's like on a grilled cheese bun. There's their menu. And then this is Modern Mimaki, which has sushi and Asian cuisine and veggie rolls. And then this is a former Scratch ice cream that used to be here. And then here are the dolls that you can rent in the winter. They're half triangle shaped. And then this is a sauna where you can get cozy and comfortable inside during the winter seasons. And more like picnic tables and outdoor seating with a bar and a cocktail bar inside that building. And then here are the vendors list that shows what's all in here at the Zocalo. This is the Ruby's Bagels. And that's the Ruby's Bagels right there. Let's go try some of the food. Here's some pizza from Hot Box Pizza Milwaukee, and a tamale from Mazorca Tacos, and different kinds of varieties of tacos from their whole menu from Mazorca Tacos also. I got a California roll, sushi roll from the Modern Maki, and a arepa with feta cheese and pork from Anytime Arepa. This is the Meat and Company burger from the Meat and Company food truck, and their fried chicken sandwich.